Alright, mic check. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind kung saan we talk about stock market, we talk about trading, we talk about forex, whatever it is, basta pwede tayong kumita, we're gonna be talking about it here. Focus lang tayo muna sa stock market since it's one of the most sought after na investment out there and maraming nagsisimula sa stock market and marami tayong dapat gabayan kasi people don't realize that stock market is really high risk, and when there is risk, there is a big chance that you are going to be losing your money. Sad to say, majority of Filipinos who start in stock market really lose their money because mali ang umpisa, and that's what Daily Grind is for. We will guide you on how to deal in the stock market as a beginner. Yan, gagabayan po namin kayo. So please share this video. Please share po itong video nito to your friends, to your relatives, your trading groups. If you have trading groups there, share this video please para mga newbies doon, they will know that there's a program like this that will guide them in their stock market journey. If you're a newbie, welcome. This is the best program for you. If you have any questions, if you want to consult something, huwag po kayo mahiya, post it in the comments. We will do in our best experience-wise. Yeah, we're gonna guide you and answer your questions as much as possible. Right, wala pong mali sa mga tanong, just post in the comments. Right, update tayo. PSEi. Right, let me share my screen. PSEi today, green po tayo, and shockingly, yan, we have momentum. It's not that big of a volume. Sorry, yung ano ko. Iba yung screen na na-share. This should be the one, and it should be right. Alright, so we have momentum. PSEi closed above Bollinger Bands po ngayon. So that's good. Wala nga lang volume pa rin. And unexpectedly, alright, all stocks, Globe, 14% climb today. After breaking out, boom, Globe on a massive climb. Ganda kasi ng earnings ni Globe, 16%. That's very big improvement compared to last year. Remember, Globe is not really affected with the pandemic, and they still outperformed their performance last year with this year. That's good numbers talking to us. That's bright for Globe, and there it is. Globe did go up because of that. And ang dami pa, even si Tel went up 7% today. Did break out, good volume. So I guess this is the reversal. This is the momentum we're looking for. I want you guys to look for pullbacks, and hopefully, makakuha tayo ng magandang pullback and bounce before you wanna get in these companies. Pero ang dami pong mga companies na nagsisiakyatan ngayon. Si Dito umakyat na naman, and now we are playing at 8.18%. Hopefully, nakasakay kayo when we called it a buy. We called it a buy right here. We called it a buy right here. Nang beses natin at pinagbabayan. So, you should be earning also already sa mga positions nyo dyan. Right? Congratulations po. Congratulations. If are there stocks that you are looking at, post it in the comments. Tignan natin yung technical analysis niya, diba? Before we go to the topic natin, I'm gonna go to the comments really quick. Ayun, sorry. Play. Alright, very good. Just had to change the background music. Magandang gabi. Welcome to our program. Ishi Marimat, good evening Sir Lloyd, good evening po. Eddie Ed, good evening Sir Lloyd, good evening po. Paolo David, good evening also. Juliet Marie Flor. Dennis, Sir, good evening. URC and VLL po. Si URC, ang taas na di ba? URC, no, not URC pala, hindi pala si URC yun. URC looking well still, alright? Ganda pa rin ng position ni URC. There's a massive resistance right here in this area. Mas maganda kung pullbacks ang pinapasok ninyo. Ang problema kasi is we're reaching resistance level, so either bumalik sa support or breakout is our best entry. Pero overall, URC is still at a very good price. Nakita nyo po yan. I would say if ever the market does go well, this should go up. So what you can do is buy some here and then buy some more here just in case it drops, kasi ito yung base natin talaga. And then dito tayo mag stop loss below that, right? So that is for URC. Let's check out VLL. VLL still a buy for me. We called VLL for a buy around these levels kasi sobrang ganda ng support na yan, and there's divergence right there. Ganda ng position na to ha. Still a buy for me si VLL. Still a buy, right? Amy Ima, thank you for tagging Rick Barredo. Good evening. Tahan PJ, good evening sir. More power. Good evening po. Juliet Marie Flor, how about Dogecoin po? Actually, yung mga crypto ngayon, medyo mataas na. I cannot recommend them anymore. I've been recommending crypto, sila Bitcoin, sila Ethereum, and other cryptos to buy them at the support during these levels. Sabi ko sa inyo, bilhin nyo na yan. Ang next natin bili was the breakouts right there. Doge. Nasa support rin naman siya. Previous resistance kasi yan. So that is technically the support. If you wanna trade this one out, sige, pwede naman to dito overall. Yes, this is Sir, nakabay Airbnb yesterday, breakout. Sell na po ba or hold? Salamat po. Let's check it out mamaya, Rerin. Right, unahin natin yung mga nakauna sa comments. So, Dogecoin. Somehow, the support is holding on Dogecoin. So, if we see a bounce at that support, sige, testing natin. But man, this is very risky. I don't like these kinds of position. This is not my kind of trade. So, I cannot recommend this right now, really. Pingwa Ping, good evening, Sir Lloyd. MPI po. Let's check out MPI. Right, MPI. Galing. We called MPI on a buy right here. It did break out right there. That was another buy. But right now, we are playing at resistance levels and napakalapit na natin sa susunod na resistance. Technically, naiwan na po tayo kay MPI. On my trading, I can't really say kung aakyat pa to. Or bababa to. So, I can't really say, man. But with my trading system kasi, for me, naiwan na ako dito because this is my favorite spots. It's either buy at the support. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo lagi, it's either buy the support right here if ever gusto nyo confirmation, then buy the breakout. And then it did break out and nakalipad na. Very challenging right now si MPI, man. I can't really say if pwede pa tong habulin. And it's not on a buy position. At the very least, pull back and bounce. Dito natin pinapasok dapat. So, kung magkahabol man lang tayo. But right now, it's not in a good position anymore. Right? I cannot recommend it anymore, sadly. As for MPI, that was for Ping Waping. How to divide BTC and XRP, sir? It's still a no buy for me. Sila Bitcoin. Bearish signals na po tayo for Bitcoin. It did rally to 50,000. But overall, look at this. We are playing inside the Bollinger Bands. So meaning wala na tayong gaano momentum talaga. And look at the Bollinger Bands. It's starting to constrict. Meaning sa sideways na ito most probably before going down maybe or maybe going up. We will know for sure in the future. But for now, it's a no buy zone for me. Again, we've already called Bitcoin a lot of times. So, naiwan na rin tayo nito. May trading rule kasi. I always tell you, these guys, never chase. Wag po kayo maghahabol. Wag kayong maghahabol. Kahit na marami nang post dyan, si Bitcoin, dumating ng 50,000, pwede pa kayo sumakay, blah, blah, blah. No. Follow your trading system. I'm teaching my trading system. It's a no. And, yeah. Actually, yung public account ko, nagsa-start na kay Izanagi. Hindi pa sinasell yung position. Alright, I'm gonna be sharing to you my Izanagi. Officially, hindi pa siya nagko-close yung position ko, yung ibang position. It's already up. But my position right now is already up 49%. Kung i-close ko manually yung mga position ko, tumubo ng 49% kaagad yung portfolio ko. Sobrang ganda ng trade ni Izanagi the past few days. Let me open Izanagi's book really quick. 151% the past few days. So, with my record, umakyat agad ng 49%. Hindi pa nako-close pa. If ever I close my Izanagi account right now, I'm already up 49.97%. In this account, I created a public account for you guys para makita ninyo yung amount. This started in balance right now is 500%. Yung equity ko, meaning yung nasa loob ng account is already at $750. Okay? So, ang saya! So, hopefully, nag-start na kayo sa Izanagi ninyo. gumawa ako ng public account para makikita nyo po yung amount. May Valkyrie also. Ito yung mas conservative. It's still up. Overall, 4.14% na po yung Valkyrie ko with the recovery trades right here. So far so good for both my accounts and the bot trading. Hopefully, nakapag-start na rin po kayo. Okay? If ever hindi pa, andyan po sa video description. If you don't know what Valkyrie is, what Izanagi is, technically they're bots, they're programs na linagay po yung technical analysis ng isang trader or group of traders. Ito yung mga parameters na for the trade and sinusunod din ng system. And then, we link your account with that system. Yung bot po ang magte-trade para sa inyo. Ang kagandahan kasi ng bot is 24/7. It can stay awake. So, iti-trade niyan na walang tulog. Whenever there are buy positions, mahit yung parameters na sinet natin, it will buy and it will sell. It will stop loss automatically. So, once it's set up, yun lang pinakatrabaho ninyo. Set it up. Set up the account. Buy it kayo for the VPS. VPS is just 300 pesos a month. That's basically bayad ninyo sa computer na magta-trade na para sa inyo para hindi mag-on yung computer niyo ng 24/7. So, it's very cheap. And technically, Izanagi is for free. Si Valkyrie, medyo may kamahalan, but you can trust Valkyrie kasi low risk, very good reward. Izanagi's been doing well. It's for free. Libre na namin yan sa inyo. Check it out andyan sa video descriptions to learn more about it. If you want to register, andyan nun po sa video description yung registration links. Hopefully, you start already. Okay, so BTC USD also, yan. Sila Bitcoin, it's already too late. So, Bitcoin, this was, ito yung request ni Paulo David. XRP naman, tignan nyo lang, XRP, USD. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Hindi po ang point of view, RDN. Ano po ang difference ng crypto sa eToro at sa ibang digital wallet? Pag bumili ka sa eToro ng crypto ay di pwede i-transfer sa ibang digital wallet. Thank you sa enlightenment. This is a very good question from Alfredo Kisto. Basically, kung nagte-trade kayo sa eToro, CFD yan muna. If ever you trade from the eToro na account ninyo. But if you open the eToro wallet, meron po kasing eToro wallet. If you create an eToro wallet and buy crypto there, then that crypto is technically crypto na. Wallet na pwede nyo i-transfer sa ibang wallet. Yung nasa position nyo kasi na yun na crypto is CFD pa lang. I'm not really sure if you're able to convert it kasi CFD po yan. What you can do is just sell your position since okay, halos parehas na lang naman, then buy crypto in your eToro wallet. Create an eToro wallet, search for eToro wallet. Pwede po yun, right? Not really sure kasi kung pwede maybe I'll research about it, Alfredo Kisto. How do I transfer crypto over Ethereum? Transfer crypto, blah, 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 eToro wallet. Yeah, meron naman po dito. How do I transfer? Ito, may process po. Paano? Yan, pwede naman pala. So, I'll give you the link, man. Ikaw lang po manood nito. Right? Ikaw lang po magbasa nito. There is eToro wallet. So, from the eToro wallet, pwede mo na i-transfer yan sa iba. Check out that link right there, man. Right. Asa na tayo? XRP, USD. So, since Bitcoin is kind of bearish, we're expecting other cryptos to be bearish too. This is a head and shoulder pattern. That's a bearish pattern right there. Pero pataas rin naman. So, somehow, it's looking good. Pero, man, it's a bit too late, really. If ever mag-breakout na lang to, that's gonna be your next position. Pero it's dipping. I want this to dip para at least man lang kung gusto nyo maghabol. Mas maganda kasi pag dips kayo maghahabol, okay? So, I cannot say buy for XRP neither. I could be wrong, but man, I'm just basing it on my trading system. Alright, let me move forward. Jepoy Gagarin, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pasuyo po mo po si VXRT. And J Johnsons and Johnsons. Naneth Mill, thank you so much for the tawag nito? Super chat. Super chat ang tawag sa di ba? Sa donations ninyo in YouTube. Thank you so much for the donations, Naneth. Yan. Palalaguin natin yan, yung mga binibigay ninyo. VXRT and Johnsons and Johnsons. Right, let's check it out. VXRT, Vaxart. Grabe, reversal agad, man, ha. So, 3 white soldiers. I want this to pull back and bounce. If it creates a support or higher low, that's your position right there for VXRT since medyo nakalipad to. Pull back na lang po, right? And that's gonna be your next position for VXRT. Next up is J&J. Johnsons & Johnsons. J&J. Johnson & Johnson. Hindi, Johnsons & Johnsons. So, bearish. So, nag-drop na nga. MA20 is still holding. Man, for me, Johnson's is something you buy during the dips. Dips. These are the buys. Pullbacks, ayoko, or breakouts, maganda for Johnson's. With the market being topish, I can't recommend this right here, man. I want the assets to really do a pullback again and then saka tayo maghanap ng position. For now, sadly, wala. Asen po, Romy Alada. Asen, thank you so much. Let's check it out. Asen. Follow the video, welcome, man. Asen, topish tayo, mga bro. So, resistance is right here. So, we're very near resistance. That's a no-buy for me. Even if sabihin natin na maganda yung position niya, meron tayong uptrend. Not my kind of trading once again. Mas risky kasi yung mga ganito nga trades. Hindi ka makatulog dito, man, if ever papasukin yan. ASEN, starting to hit sell levels. So, bearish from this resistances. So, baka mag-bearish na naman. Hard to say, man, but yeah. Not a buy zone for me anymore. So, I will stay away from ASEN for now. Sarah J. Datal, good evening. Rerin21, good evening, Sir Lloyd. If ever po nakabay ng Airbnb yesterday on a breakout, sell na po ba? Airbnb on a breakout. Wala pa. Congratulations on getting in the breakout. This was the breakout right here. Big win right there. I think this is still gonna pull back and bounce, right? Magkano ba yung nakita mo dito? Bakit mo na isa-sell ka agad? Malaki ba yung akyat ni Airbnb? 9.97% overall. It's not yet a sell for me, definitely. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, most probably this will start an uptrend, diba? Ganda na support dito, divergence, I keep teaching you that. Breakout, pullbacks, those are our entries. Wala pa. Let it pull back. I mean, kung at this point kasi uptrend to mag-uptrend to. If ever you're not comfortable with the position, I will say na kung mamayang gabi makita nyo may pumula dyan, you sell some of your position. And then if ever this one will sustain, then still okay, hold the other half. Okay, take profit on the other half. If ever kinakabahan kayo sa position nyo. But man, with the volume, with the breakout, I think this is still on an uptrend. Good catch right there. Those are the positions I really love. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, it's either kung bumalik sa support, diyan yung pasukin, or kung mag-breakout with the volume, sa kanyang pasukin. Right? Congratulations. Still, good trade right here. This is from Rerin21. Galing. Amy Ima is asking about gold. Nga pala, SLP, ladies and gentlemen, is negative 13 to kanina. The price is at 6.58 pesos na lang ulit. Even if we thought that SLP is already at a smooth love potion na SLP sa mga players na Axie dyan na naghahanap. I have followers kasi na are also looking into Axie. Right, we talked about Axie on this green day right here. We saw, if ever hanggang dyan lang tayo, we saw divergence at this point. Meaning, pababa yung presyo but prices were going high. But one thing you need to consider really is that okay sana to if ever the supply is not really being flooded. Ang problema lang talaga kay SLP is its gaming system, its SLP generation system. Millions of players generating SLP every day, and that will keep flooding the system. That will keep flooding the market. Sabihin na natin mag-hold yan lahat. Well, right now, hindi naman nag-hold. So, it dropped 17% from the time that we saw some bullish action. Problema kasi, karamihan naglalaro sa XLP is, hindi naman yan sila nag-hold. Kasi ito yung kabuhayan nila. At dito yung sweldo nila. So, they will keep selling and selling their SLP. And because of the sell-off pa rin, negative 17% from the time that I thought it was gonna be a buy already. So what's happening is that I think SLP might still drop. And that's good because the lesser the price of SLP, the cheaper the axis will be. Kung gusto nyo talaga sa axis, then about time, I guess the axis should become cheaper this time, right? Yun nga yun yung sinabi sa inyo, huwag kayong magpapahype dito sa taas. Dito tayo sa baba, most probably it should be very cheap anytime soon. Saka kayo magsimula habang mura pa, right? If ever gusto niyo talaga mag-Axie. We had previous episodes about Axie. Ako mismo hindi ako naglalaro na Axie because I'm not really a fan of their SLP generation system because I thought it was a bubble. I think it will flood the market, and from that point I've been talking about SLP dito na level. It has been dropping ever since. So hopefully nakinig kayo. Na-save ninyo yung pera ninyo instead, diba? Alright, let's move forward. Rare1, thank you Sir Lloyd. Been learning from your channel. Happy to help po. Moving forward, yan, Airbnb tapos na. Amy Ima is asking about gold. Let's check out pro charts. Lapit ko lang to para hindi ko na kailangan lakas kasi ng boses ko na nasanay. So, really stressing my vocal cords. So, if ilapit ko lang ng ganito, ang problema kasi pag hindi ako sumisigaw, parang walang energy eh. Baka boring. Boring kaya ng stock market na topic, no? So, yeah. So, nilalagyan natin ng energy. Alright, so far, so good for gold. Doing a pullback right now, but overall is on a sideways trend. Resistance is right here, sideways. Yung support natin nagsusustain dito. We can't really say for now saan papunta si gold. I think gold is still kind of expensive right now. So, but that's to be understood kasi may COVID eh, di ba? So, but we are already too late for gold for me, right? It's already too late for gold for me. Because during the pandemic, nagsimula siyang umakyat. That was the best time that you should have entered gold. Ngayon, medyo uli na po pumasok kay gold since nasa topish levels na tayo. During the pandemic, it reached its highest almost 2,100 si gold. Ngayon, we are still at 1,793, 1,800. That's still near the top. Once once the COVID-19 will be resolved, most probably gold is gonna drop, right? Kasi magbebentahan na yung mga tao. I'm not a fan of the price right now. Okay? So, konting ingat po. But sideways, pwede andito pa naman yung resistance, pwede nyo pang ma-scalping ito. So, it all depends on you. As for gold, JFC, ask ni Rhea. Let's check out JFC. Jollibee Food Corporation. Alright, breakout for Jollibee with no volume. Pero breakout is a breakout nonetheless. I don't like this kind of breakouts na walang volume, so I don't really want you to go aggressive on this one. Pull back, and then once mag-sustain yung new support, which is the previous resistance, then that's where you buy it. Okay? Could be wrong, pwede yan umakyat. Pero overall, I would say, yeah, bodegahin nyo to. That's a good sign right there. Pasukin nyo. Then just buy more if ever it goes down talaga. Jollibee is still a very solid company, in my opinion. Hi Sir Lloyd, should I sell my crypto now? I would say, I can't really say, man. Kasi nung sinabi ko na bearish na si crypto, dapat dun kayo nagsasell. Sorry if I wasn't clear for that. Kasi ang kinakausap ko lagi is yung mga gusto mag-buying. But when I say crypto is starting to look bearish, those were the sell position already, actually. Should you sell your crypto? I would say, sell some of it. Take profits if ever maganda yung pasok ninyo. Okay? Sayang naman kasi. Kasi we don't really know for sure if ever magre-recover siya from the pullback. Kasi it was showing bearish signals talaga. I can't really say, man. Take some profits. Yun yung pinaka-safe na sabihin natin. Take some profits of it. Kahit on the other half, kung bumagsak man siya, mag-break even ka, that's okay. In the end, you still earn. Diba? Dito, Sir Lloyd, dito umakyat na kanina, kind of too late to enter dito. We're reaching resistance levels. Dito tayo bumili ng dito, tsaka dito. I recommended buying dito around this level on the pullback right here. Medyo nakalipad na naman sa dito. We're already reaching resistance levels. Medyo risky na pumasok kayo dito. But if you're a long-term holder, overall 8 pesos, mas maganda sana kung nung sa 6, 7 natin napasok eh. So those are the best entry. Kind of too late na kay dito. So breakout for trading. Ran Tabila, sir, update sa Ember Sword. So far, nag-aantay pa rin tayo ng kay Ember Sword. Nag-aantay tayo ng feedback from Ember Sword. And last update kasi ni Ember Sword is that yung request to buy land plots was overwhelming them. Right? So, they asked for 1 month na extension before they can announce sino yung mga mabibigyan ng lupa. We tried our best for application. Hopefully, makakuha tayo. But so, don't worry about that. If ever may update man, ako maririnig nyo yan unang-una sa akin. I'll let you guys know. For now, we'll just have to wait. There's no point on getting excited kasi you tend to do bad decisions if ever you're excited. So, patience lang muna. If it will come, it will come. Right? Pero sobrang ganda ng Ember Sword. That's the NFT that I'm waiting for. NFT game, right? If you haven't checked it out yet, check out Ember Sword. Meron na akong ginawang group Discord for Ember Sword. Andyan po sa video description. Pasok kayo dyan if ever you become interested in Ember Sword. It's an NFT game, parang Axie, but it's different. Mas healthy yung NFT system niya, yung crypto system niya, right? I'll go to YouTube muna guys ha. Kasi hindi ko nababasa gaano yung sa YouTube. Sir, bakit galawang Subaru si Globe and Tel? May telco play ba? Thanks. Actually, wala eh. Globe and Tel just outperformed their performance last year. So that's good because they're very cheap right now because of the competition of dito. And investors were really adamant if ever they are still gonna be performing. Ngayon na meron na silang dito na kalaban, they're still performing well. And with the current price ni Globe and Tel, it's a good buy overall. Napaka-underpriced ng mga companies na yan. So, that's to be understood. Wala naman telco plays. So, relax lang. Wait for pullbacks and bounce. Jayco07, eto pala. Calabs V, how about Ali, sir? Any insights? Let's check out Ali. Ayala Land Incorporated. Someone's calling. Sorry. My daughter is calling me. Sorry. I just had to chat with my daughter. Sorry about that. Anyways. Ayala Land Incorporated. We have resistance right here. Supports right there, man. If this breaks out, then good. Pwede nyo gawin dito is, since Ayala Land Incorporated is a good company, nasa gitna naman siya ng support resistance, what you can do is buy some. Pinakamaganda is support. Buy the support or buy the breakout. But you can still buy this, man. Just buy some. Kasi there's a high chance that this will break out already. But buy some right here. If ever bumagsak man, then the support, this is where you really create your position. You buy some more right here. Cut loss below that. This is a good company. Nakapaganda ng presyo niya ngayon. I would say that's a good strategy right there for that's a good strategy right there for Ayala Land. Did I leave my puppet there? No. Just had to reply to my daughter. Family first! Diba? Anyways, Ayala Land Incorporated, that's it. Nanette Mill. Once again, thank you so much for the super chat, Nanette. Jayco07, good evening, Sir Lloyd. APRN, RCL, and CSIQ. Thanks. Let's check it out. APRN, Blue Apron Holdings. So this is going to be purely technical analysis support. Yeah, that's a buy right there, man. It already attempted to look good on the first run. Kaso nga lang nag-fail, bumalik sa support. And on the support, it respected it. That's still a buy right there for APRN. Just make sure this is a good company, okay? I'm not really sure ano nangyari. Bakit nag-gap down to. So, please do your part. Mas maganda if i-trade ninyo ito if this is a good company. Okay? So, APRN, RCL, Royal Caribbean Cruises, Breakout right there. Breakout strategy. Right. So that's a buy. Good find. CSIQ. Right. Alan Picardal has a request nga pala. So engulfing pattern, let's pull back, let it pull back and bounce before you want to get in CSIQ. Right. Alan Picardal, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ani is still a buy for me. Sa mga nagdadalawang isip mo ng magbodega kay Ani, since wala tayong magbodega, mas maganda if breakout sa kanyo pasukin. But overall, bodegahin nyo to si Ani. If you can get in the support as much as possible, pasukin nyo si Ani. Right. And then, buy some lang. Test buy pa lang naman yan eh. Right. ABA core. That's an ascending triangle right there. Wait for a breakout before you wanna get in. ABA core. BSC. Boss, pwede ba basihan ang book value if undervalue and overvalue isang stocks? Yes, isa yan sa mga binabasayan ko talaga, yung book value nila. Right. BSC. No, not book value. I follow the fair value na binibigay ni Call Financial. Sorry. BSC, pullback, bounce. That's gonna be your entry point for BSC right here. Still very good. Still looking good for BSC. Next up, Rainville. Sir, good evening. PX po. Any insights? Thanks. Let's check out PX. Alright, good. Engulfing pattern. Pull back and bounce. If this creates a support, then that's gonna be your entry point for Philex Mining. Antayin muna natin. Mag-confirm muna ng support before you wanna get in Philex Mining. Okay? That's for PX. Goods ba entry ngayon ng Axie from Jam Pulse? Actually, sa Axie kasi, for you to be able to enter Axie, is you need to build a team. Okay, you need to build a team, and to build a team, you have to buy the Axies. And I was expecting na bababa ang presyo ng mga Axie because as you use SLP to create new Axies, and then that Axie na nakikreate ninyo, pwede nyo ibenta sa marketplace, diba? But somehow, the prices of Axies are not yet going down. So what I want to do is, I will wait for the price of Axies to go down before I will start, plano ko is I'm gonna be getting someone na maglalaro na Axie para sa akin. For now, the Axie prices are expensive. It's expensive, and considering yung kikitain mo is napakalit ng presyo ngayon. Again, SLP price is at 6.58 pesos. It's not gonna be worth it for me, right? Yung oras na i-google ng tao ninyo plus bottom line, it's not gonna be worth it. Right now, the Axie prices are still expensive. So what you want to do is you want to wait for the prices of Axies to go down before you start Axie. Don't worry, huwag kayong magmadali. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, huwag kayong magmadali nung hina-hype ito, di ba? Look at what happened right now. The Axie prices did drop. Right? There will come a time na sobrang mura na yung Smooth Love Potion, and then because it is not, the Axies are still expensive for the reward that you can get from it, no one is gonna be buying Axies for now. So if ever mataas ang supply, the demand is low, prices should go down. Let's say in the future, kung bumaba ang presyo ng mga Axie, I'll tell you if maganda mag-start. But for now, it's not gonna be worth it. Medyo mahal pa yung mga Axie sa marketplace. Okay, moving forward, Alvin Saroca, international stock siya, Amadeus Systems provider ng PAL. I see, yung Amadeus System. Asianite, my Globe and PLDT shot up and I don't know why, but doesn't matter, man. A win is a win. Congratulations. Big movers today, Globe and Tel. Why? We can't really say, man. Ang masasabi ko lang is that they have outperformed. Number one, Globe and Tel has already proven that they're companies that can withstand pandemic. They got even stronger during the pandemic, di ba? And right now, they outperformed their performance last year. Ganda ng earnings nila for this year. That's the reason I can say na since mura pa yung presyo nila and with their performance, that will invite investors. And there it is, umakyat nga diba? Is Globe a sell? Not much response here. For me, you can sell some of it, right? If your target profit is already hit, you can sell some of your positions. Sayang naman kasi. You don't have to be greedy. You don't really want to be greedy in a sense na, uy, ang laki na ng panalo ko and baka umakyat pa so hindi ko muna ibebenta kasi gusto ko makuha yung mas mataas pang position ni Globe if ever akyat man siya. The question is, you don't know for sure what will happen in the market. Remember, PSEi is not really that bullish just yet. So there's a very big chance that it will drop. So the best thing you can do is you sell some of your position so that whatever happens tomorrow, you are in an okay position. You sell some here. If it goes up, then that's okay. You are in a good position still because you're still in the trade, right? It's not the best position, pero kung i-hold mo kasi yan, you know what? Sige, let's go for a lesson right here. This is one of the lesson kasi in my webinar. Hopefully you want to, if you want to join my seminar, marami kayong matutununan doon. This is one of the lesson that I teach. What do you do if ever your position is already winning? We have time. It's still 8:30. So this will take around 5 minutes siguro. If you want to check out more about the webinar that I have, sobrang ganda ng webinar. Mas marami kayo. Mas step by step yung learning nyo doon. Go to patreon.com. May step po doon so that you can access the webinar. So here's the lesson that I want to share to you. This is part of the webinar that I tell you. Right. Let's say for example, Globe. Let's use Globe as our example. So this is your buy area, right? This circle right here. So basically that is your break even, diba? Buy area. This is the losing side. This is the winning side. Okay? Rule in trading is you don't really have to win it all. And dapat, because you're dealing in the stock market, you're dealing with unpredictability. So dapat your moves should be whatever happens to the market, you are in an okay position. You don't really have to be in the best position and you don't really want to be at the worst position. If you're in the best position, then well and good. Pero hindi po tayo ganyan dapat sa trading. I'll explain to you further why. So let's say for example, this is your buy area right here. And then, nakita nyo kanina, si Globe umakyat ng 14% right here. Okay. So now, this is your position. There are three things you can do. Sell, and then hold, and then, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is sell. Sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, sell half. Okay? So now, this is the sell half position. If ever you get greedy and bibenta ko na ba si Globe kasi laki na ng panalo ko, that's an option right there. You can sell your position. Lalagyan ko lang ng peso since may pera ka na dito. Yung nag-hold, wala pa naman pera yan. It's still paper gains, di ba? And then, yung third position is nag-hold. Right? Let's hold our position. Sell half. Right, sell half tayo since since we are going to be selling half of our position. So, meron pa rin tayong earnings diyan. Pero one check lang kasi kalahati lang naman. Si hold dito, walang peso sign since paper gains pa lang, right? So, those are the three things you can do right now. Now, remember in stock market, you don't really know what is going to happen in the market. Ang daming what ifs. What if umakyat? What if bumaba? What if hindi gumalaw? Diba? So, what if umakyat? Let's say umakyat, right? And this is the peak of Globe right now. And kasi umakyat. So, right now, yung mga nag-sell will stay in place because they're already out of the trade. Yung mga nag-hold naman, they are gonna be here. And then, kung dito nila ibebenta, then they are on this spot. Tayo, since may half pa lang tayo, dito tayo magbebenta, right? So now, let's check out the position. The best position right now is yung mga nag-hold. Diba? Good. Yung pinakapangit na position was nag-sell all. Right? We are in a not bad position. Right? Now, another what if is what if bumalik sa support? Worst is makat loss kayo. So yung nag-hold naman this time, what if bumagsak ang presyo ni Globe? Dito siya ngayon, ibebenta niya maybe on a negative or in a break even. Tayo na nakapag-sell half and then we break even on the other half, we are gonna be here since may earnings pa rin tayo. So ngayon, since na-sell all na ngayon nung unang position, they're here. Now let's check out the position. The best position this time is this guy right here. The worst position is yung nag-hold. At tayo na nag-sell half, we are still in a not bad position. When you trade, the goal is to earn. The goal is not to win it all. Kasi kung gusto nyo mag-win it all, you can be in a bad position in the future. What if lumipad at lumipad? It's very hard to look for winning positions tapos kasi you got greedy. You let go of it at a very early price, di ba? Yung mag-hold naman kasi, yung nag-hold kasi gusto nila mag-win it all. If you want to win it all, there's a chance that you can lose it all also. And that's bad because this is casino. Right? Win all, lose all. Mag-casino na lang kayo. Right? Ganun ang gambling, di ba? I wanna win it all, kaya mag-gamble ako. Pusta ko ng 1,000 pesos. If I win, magiging 2,000 pesos. If I lose, 0. Mas mabuti pa mag-casino kayo. Trading, this is your goal. First is look for winners, and if you're already winning, execution pa rin. There are strategies on selling also. And this is what I teach in my webinar. This is your goal as a trader. You don't really have to win it all. You don't really have to lose it all. And most definitely, you don't have to be greedy. Kasi, what if lumipad at nalayo na yung presyo? Wala ka na, nabenta mo na yung position mo diba? Naiwan ka pa rin. You're still in a very bad position from that point on. Okay, so hopefully this is clear. If you want to know more about my seminar, isa lang to sa mga tuturo ko sa inyo sa seminar. Sobrang dami pa. Ang dami nyo pwede matutunan. Check out patreon.com/elbazaar. May process doon for you to be able to access the webinar. Anyways, hopefully you learned from that. Let me just close the... Boss, may question dito. John Christian Divina Gracia, boss, hanggang saan kaya aabuti ng price ng SLP? Pababa Problema kay SLP ngayon is, yes, pababa siya ng pababa at gawa pa rin ng gawa ng SLP. So there's nothing really stopping the downfall of SLP. As long as may bagong SLP na napakarami araw-araw, the supply will always be there. And sadly, it will make the prices still drop and drop and drop. We can't, until na tapusin until na ulitin ni Axie yung SLP generation system nila, the flooding of SLP will not change. Sad to say, babagsak at babagsak siya. Sa ngayon na system. Hopefully may update yan. Good evening, Nanette. Phil RT po, pwede pa check. Hopefully may natutunan kayo doon, ha? Hit like, guys. Thank you so much. Alright, Phil RT. Alright, Phil RT, pull back and bounce. Yeah. Yes and no. Wala akong technical analysis dito. Wala akong makitang technical analysis. What I can say is that this is a good bounce. This is a good pullback. This is a good bounce. If ever planon man if Phil RT talaga sa stock to really go up, then this is the best time to test it out. But I don't really want you guys to look at this as a trading asset. Check out yung revenue. Check out yung makukuha ninyo na pera. Our REITs, please consider them for dividend investing, not for trading. Okay? Marvin Esmero, sir, insights kay Crypto Zoon. Right? ZON USDT. USD. Not really sure, man. It's not coming up. Wala akong charting dito for crypto kasi. But just look at Bitcoin. Susunod at susunod yan sila. Ganda ng seminar. I asked from Xerxes. Ganda po ng seminar. I asked my wife and sister to attend to your seminar since I am not able to dahil nag-ibang bansa. You're welcome. Thank you so much for the compliment, Xerxes. Yeah, check out the seminar. Check out the recording of the webinar. Ang dami niyo po matutunan dyan. Go to patreon.com/elbazar po. Right, anyways, wow, thank you for sharing that. Lessons are very helpful from Peculiar Dar. You're welcome po. Let's go back to Facebook. Time check po tayo. It's already 8:48, so bilisan ko lang to ha. I'm not really sure if I can answer all the questions right now, but I'll do my best. Sir, thank you again sa tip. Bought BTC at 31k and some altcoins nung ni-recommend mo to. This is from Erjan Ginto. At an altcoins nung ni-recommend mo to. Sold some for funds para sa Izanagi. Planning to start with Izanagi by Friday or Monday. May limit pala na 10k sa XM per deposit through BDO online banking. I see. I'm not really sure about that. Nadi-limit ang XM 10k sa BDO online banking, 10k per day. Depende yan sa account nyo, bro. Talk to your bank, talk to BDO kasi yung account namin, I talk to them na i-lift yung 10k per transaction na limit. So we're able to put in 50k. Yun yung pinaka-max niya, 50k a day. Right? Talk to your bank. Pwede nila ma-lift yan. Nancy Catilo, Sir Amazon and Baidu for international. Let's check out Amazon. Alright, Amazon. Alright, very good. Looking good so far. So good. Let it pull back and let's see if ever meron na tayong support dito. Possibly, we will have a support right here. That's gonna be your entry point for Amazon if ever mag-support man. Remember, this is still the resistance of the previous dip. Right? So, ingat lang muna kay Amazon. Let's wait for Baidu. Let's wait for confirmation of the support. Baidu naman. Alright, we already have very good signals right here. Engulfing pattern, so that's good. Pull back and bounce, confirmation of the support for Baidu. Good find. Good job, Nancy Catilo. Alfredo, good evening, sir. Hingi po ako ng point of view idea niyo po. Anong difference ng crypto sa eToro at digital wallet? We already talked about that. Nancy Catilo, you're welcome. Sir, what's your technical analysis on FUN and FUN USDT? So, let's go crypto. Ito, sinusunod pa rin ang ganda. Sinusunod pa rin naman niya ang takbo nila nila Bitcoin. So after the massive climb, it's doing a pullback. Support is right here. Aggressively speaking, this most probably will be your entry point for short term. Short term trades lang po dito since nakalipad na po ito. Uptrend line major is right here. Kung gusto niyo po, abangan niyo po sa uptrend line. Mas magandang trade yan pag ganun. Follow the bid, you're welcome. GFC, buy and sell po. I would say that's a buy. COCP. Rantabilas. Alright, let's go. Bas pasilipan PNB and CHP. Tahan PJ. Let's check it out later. Galing. Co-Crystals Pharma. Pull back and bounce, man. Mas maganda mag-pull back to and mag-bounce before you want to get in. Why? Because kung habulin nyo po yan, ang lalim ng ibabagsak nyo. What if need nyo mag-cut loss? Ang laki ng loss nyo dyan, man. So, pull back and bounce. The next bounce will be your entry point for COCP. Good find. Zinerba, NNDM, and SNDL po. This is from Ishi, Marimat, ZYNE. Right, double time lang tayo ng konti. Zinerba, showing us good signals after this engulfing pattern. Pull back and bounce. Right? Pag nag-confirm ng support yan, Zinerba is a buy. SNDL, good find. Ishi, SNDL, same right here. So pull back and bounce. That will be a reverse head and shoulder pattern if ever we get a bounce at a higher point. So, you know where to wait for it. Good find, Ishi. Galing. Dito po, si Dito is wait for the breakout before you wanna get in dito if you wanna get in for trading, right? Or if bumalik man sa support, then those are your entry points for dito. For now, medyo nakalipad na si dito. Kind of too late. Sir, update sa Ember Sword. Nabasa natin ito. AJ. BM Sir Lloyd, pa-check po sa Tesla, NIO, and APL. Tesla, I have my Tesla also pero may resistance po dito. Hopefully mag-breakout. Breakout is your best entry point for Tesla. NIO. Right, NIO. Okay to. So, it's pulling back right now. If it confirms support or creates a higher low, that's a buy for NIO. Right, good find. NIO, And then Apple. Si Apple rin medyo toppish eh. So, I'm not really fan of Apple right now. Medyo toppish po siya. I really want to wait for pullbacks for Apple. Right now, it's going sideways. No. I can't, man. Mas maganda pullbacks pag ganito mga assets kasi mga big time. Wait for the pullback for Apple before you want to get in. Boss, PNB, and CHP. Let's check it out. PNB. And then, also, si CHP. Xerxes activated na po and for installation na ang aking Valkyrie. So excited. Thank you so much, man. Alright, congratulations for joining Valkyrie. And, Izanagi, man. I had an episode yesterday. I told you how we were able to win 150% in 8 months. Dagdag ko pa sana doon, doing nothing. Wala na kasi kaming ginagawa dito. We just set it up and let the bot run. This account started, this is a verified account by MyFX Book. From January to today, August 25 pala, yung last update, 151% na po yung growth niya. Right? I have my Valkyrie right here and pinapakita ko po sa inyo yan. And also, my Izanagi is already doing well. Hindi pa lang nako-close yung mga positions. Pero, boom, equity growth is already at 49.97%. Pag nag-close yan, for sure, aakyat yung position natin. Hopefully, close niya. Pero, I'll just leave the bot. Gusto ko dito is, I want the bot to do the trade and pakita ko lang sa inyo. Hopefully, ma-inspire kayo pumasok kay Izanagi tsaka kay Valkyrie. Izanagi is for free. I have no reason bakit hindi nyo i-try. Alright, PNB. We have a support right here for PNB. Alright, medyo packet yung support niya. RSI is doing well. That's a buy right there for PNB. This is a good company. Earnings natin second quarter. Ooh, look at those numbers. I would say that's a buy. Right? Buy nyo na to. Ano pa hinihintay nyo? Right? For PNB. Sobrang mura ni PNB na yun. CHP, eto naman, I'm not really a fan of CHP. But, could be wrong. We have a massive support for CHP right here. RSI is looking well. So, if you are a trader, trade the support. Right? Enter at the support for CHP. Arvin Soroka, hi Sir Lloyd, I'd like to confirm, reversal na ba si AMSC.MC? This is for international. Right. Reversal na ba siya? Possible reversal, man. It's doing a pullback right now. Let it bounce. Tingnan natin saan yung bounce niya. This is gonna be very interesting. RSI is telling us na mukhang magre-reversal na. Right? So, yeah, possibly. We need more data though. Okay? Good find, man. This is for Arvin Soroka, Paul Diolaza, good evening, sir. Currently trading USD CAD and oil. Congratulations po. You're into much mas challenging na trading, pero volatility is your friend. Ang ganda i-trade doon for day trading talaga. Congratulations. Boss, pwede ba bastihan ng book value? We covered that already. Telpo, nope, it's already too high up there, sir. GMA and spot. GameStop is overpriced. I don't like to trade this asset since it's already overpriced at this level, right? It did break out. If you want to trade this one out, man, if ever gusto nyo sumakisabay sa hype, pull back and bounce before you want to get in. GameStop. So, spot naman, time check tayo. 8:56 already. Sige, last 5 lang. Spot. Alright, spot. This is better. I love this better. Alright, I think tapos na yung downtrend natin dito. So, pull back and bounce is your entry point for spot. Spotify. Alibaba, sir, thank you. Si Baba. Tignan natin. Right? Doing good. Engulfing pattern. Let's see if ever mag-pull back and mag-create tayo ng support. Right? We need a support confirmation muna before we wanna get in. Sir, pwede pasukin si Globe? No! Bakit nyo papasukin yun nakalipad na yun? Right? Why? There are better positions na hindi pa lumilipad. Never chase a flying stock, man. Yun yung trading system natin. Wag po kayong maiinggit. That's your greed telling you to chase it. Please don't do that. Right. Artsy Gam, Sir Lloyd, TA please on Fun USDT. We covered that already. DMC. Last 3. DMC. Galing, ha? Pullback bounce. That's the bounce right there for DMC. Dapat ito yung pinasok natin, ha? Ngayon, medyo nakalipad na si DMC. Overall, nakata-cute already. Reverse head and shoulder pattern right here. This is the buy signal right there.
medyo nakakatakot na sa DMC. Could be wrong, pwede pa itong umakyat. It's just that I don't have clear signals right now for DMC. Really hard to trade that pag ganyan. Pas hanggang saan kaya abutin ng price SLP pababa? Boss Pasili PNB, CHP, we're done with this. Artsy, God bless. Ishi Marimat, thank you so much. Thank you for the good wish. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Tanong ko po, maganda po ba pagsabayin ang staking sa crypto at trading sa crypto, sir? Okay lang naman. Staking kasi medyo hino-hold mo yan eh. Trading for crypto, I think you are referring to day trading crypto. Iba kasi yan. Ang trading kasi ng crypto, if you're day trading it, is for daily earnings eh. So that's okay. Okay lang pagsabayin yan. Walang problema yan. Yung staking kasi is for different purpose. It's for a longer term na investment. Yan, day trading for crypto, I strongly recommend day trading altcoins. Yung crypto naman ng mga malalaking coins, for position trading lang yan. But yeah, if you're day trade, iba-iba naman ang purpose niyan. So yeah, it's okay. Alright? Time natin is already, time's up, man. Sige, last lang to. AP na lang ano ko, bro. This is from Steve Navarro. AP, oh, yeah, breakout strategy for AP. Right? Aboitiz power. Actually, tagal ko na sinabi sa inyo to si AP eh, di ba? Bilhin nyo na tong support and nag-breakout na si AP. Breakout, walang kanong volume, but yeah, that's the best entry right now for AP. Ayala Power. Aboitiz Power. We've been talking about AP. Doon pa. Dito, breakout. Dito, bodega. Diba? So, hopefully, you've already been earning in Aboitiz Power. MBT, we covered this already. Breakout lang muna kay MBT. That's an ascending triangle pattern. Lastly, RRHI. RRHI is a buy. Ito yung support natin. That's still a buy right there. Alright. That's it for me this evening. Hopefully, marami kayo natutunan. Again, Valkyrie and Izanagi, if gusto nyo po may mag-trade para sa inyo habang natutulog kayo or you wanna be earning while not doing anything, check out bot trading. Right? Ang ganda ng performance ng bot trading. Izanagi is for free. Si Valkyrie, mas low risk siya. Mas sure yung galaw. Pero mas maliit yung reward naman. That one's for premium kasi hindi sa atin yun. Izanagi is ours. We can give it to you for free. Check it out. It is for free. Andyan po sa video description ang video about it so that you'll understand more about it. And if you want to register, andyan din po sa video description. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. Please enjoy the rest of the evening. Friday po. Don't forget, Friday, we are going to be talking about fundamentals ng mga upcoming IPO. Sasamahan tayo ng Kapayamang Arnel. So that's an episode you don't really want to miss if you're planning, especially you're planning to invest on the future IPOs, which is maganda naman. Right? Again, see you tomorrow. And as always, this is Lloyd Bazaar saying, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone. Good night.